how to change site title in Wix. So as you can see, this is what my website looks like currently. And if we want to change this title here or text, what we have to do is go to the home page of Wix here. And once we're taken to the home page, we will click on the three dots that say Site Actions. And we want to click on Rename Site. Now, if we want to change the title itself, we will change this first line of text here. So for example, if somebody goes to a specific page on our website, so for example, the shop, oops, I've linked it to YouTube, sorry. So if we go to the About Me page here, it will look like this, About Me Net Store. So this is the one that's the part that's going to be changed. Now, if we want to change the URL, we will do so right here. So this is going to be the URL itself. And also, if we want to change specific pages titles here, I will go to the Wix website editor. Then I will go to pages and menu here, and we can change the specific pages names by double clicking on it, and we can write whatever we want. So About Us, done. And now this is going to change the About Me page to About Us. As you can see, it it hasn't updated it, but if I reload it here and if I republish my website, it should work. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.